The advanced seed meter on the Early Riser planter utilizes the largest seed disc in the industry. This leads to slower disc rotation for better seed placement. The seed disc within the advanced seed meter has wear grooves on it. The seed disc will wear, and this is normal. However, when vacuum starts to be affected and we reach the bottom of our seed grooves within the seed disc, we should replace that seed disc with a genuine Case IH seed disc. The Early Riser planter, advanced seed meter, and bulk fill system utilize a specialized graphite available only from your Case IH dealer. Utilizing other types of graphite available at farm stores or other dealerships, or even the spray type graphite on seed discs is not recommended. Additional wear can come from this, as well as poor performance. Properly maintaining and inspecting the seed disc within the advanced seed meter is critical for proper seed placement. The seed disc should be inspected for wear as well as warping. If the seed disc is not flat, be sure you replace that seed disc. If the seed disc is not flat, accelerated wear might be found as well as excess torque on the seed meter system itself. The seed disc cover on the advanced seed meter holds the seed disc in place, as well as has the vacuum chamber to distribute the air to hold the seeds to the disc. This cover should be inspected for wear as well as any kind of warpage. If it is warped or worn, replace it. Within the advanced seed meter is the 3-spooled singulator. This singulator provides our accurate population control. We should be inspecting this singulator for any damage. There's a wear groove on the outer edge of that singulator. If the singulator spool is worn, that groove will no longer be visible. Be sure to be checking the operator's manual for proper settings for the singulator. Be checking each one of the row units as well to make sure that the singulator is set on the same setting to each row. After making any adjustments to the advanced seed meter, be sure that all hoses and connections are securely tightened and are reconnected to the advanced seed meter. Seed tube sensors are found in the seed tube below the seed meter. These sensors provide feedback to the display and provide you the population that you're actually planting. These seed tube sensors should be cleaned on a regular basis with the brush provided with each Early Riser planter. If the display becomes erratic, soap and water can be also used to clean the seed tube sensors.